Most French beginners make the same mistake. They learn words, but they don't learn sentences. And in real life, people don't speak in words, they speak in ready-made sentences. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important French sentences that people actually use for daily life, travel, and real conversations. You don't need to memorize everything today, just listen, repeat, save this video. Let's start with section 1. Politeness comes first. In French, politeness is not optional. Before asking anything, before ordering anything, you greet. On your screen, you'll see the most basic polite expressions. These are the sentences that open doors literally and socially. Pay attention to how short they are. French doesn't need to be long to be polite. Section 2. Talking about yourself. Very early in any conversation, people will ask who you are, your name, where you are from, what you do. You don't need a long introduction. One simple sentence is enough. The sentences you see now help you say who you are, where you come from, and what your situation is. Section 3. Keeping a conversation going. Now let's talk about interaction. French conversations are built on short reactions. How are you? I'm fine. And you? These sentences may look simple, but they are used every single day. If you master these, you'll sound natural even with basic French. Section 4. When you don't understand, here is the truth. Not understanding is normal. Native speakers don't expect perfection, they expect communication. The sentences on screen now help you ask for help, ask people to repeat. These sentences reduce stress instantly. Section number 5. Moving abroad. At some point you will be lost, everyone is. That's why you need simple sentences for place and direction. Section 6. Money and shopping. Money conversations don't need grammar perfection, they need clarity. How much is it? That's too expensive. These sentences are short, direct, and very powerful. Once you know them, shopping becomes easy. Section number 7. Food and daily needs. Hunger and thirst make people forget languages. So here you will see sentences that help you order food, ask for bill, and react politely. These are some of the most repeated sentences in French. Section 8. Absolutely essential sentences. Finally, there are sentences everyone needs even if you are not traveling. Being tired, being lost, agreeing, saying no problem. These are emotional sentences. They help you feel human in French. Now listening and practice. Let's listen carefully and repeat together.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Macro, je viens d'Espagne et j'apprends français. Je ne comprends pas encore tout, mais ça va.
You don't need perfect French, you need useful French. Save this video, come back to it often, and in the comments tell me which sentence do you think you will use first. Subscribe for more clear, simple French every week. À bientôt.